I love SLC because they give me all the tools that I need to build my professional life. I came to Canada to build my professional life and be the best marketer ever. And as I'm studying advertising and marketing, I feel that the whole college and all the professors, they all give me the tools that I need to achieve the goals that I want to. And I also feel very, very comfortable talking to the professors inside the SLC environment. I have friends from all over the world, and we always exchange knowledge about our own cultures. So I have friends from Mexico, Russia, Brazil, Colombia, Philippines, Ukraine, Thailand. And it's just great to meet people from different cultures than mine, because we can exchange knowledge and we learn a lot from each other, and we also experience this whole international life in Canada together, and it's just great. I'm just so happy.